Grabe yung pagka-Ferrero nitong yogurt na to, as in achieve na achieve. Naghahanap kami ng dessert dito sa MOA, and if you know me, yogurt will always be a priority. And meron na palang Cloud soft treats dito. So tinry ko yung Ferrero, yung bago nilang hazelnut yogurt. As in yung yogurt mismo is hazelnut flavored, so you can customize your toppings naman. But the best way to have it daw is its default toppings. So it's the double hazelnut sauce, toasted hazelnut, and Rice Krispies. And buti na lang nakinig ako kasi I wouldn't have it any other way. Kasi wow, in fairness, Ferrero in every bite yung yogurt. Kasi in the actual yogurt kasi, chocolatey siya tapos tart at the same time. Weakness ko talaga sa dessert ang ganitong combination. Yung chocolate na may pagka-tart. Kaya mahilig ako sa chocolate-covered strawberries. For me, if ganito yung combination, game over talaga. Plus, I'm also biased sa mga hazelnut chocolates, lalo na yung with nuts. Imagine a soft, tart, chocolatey yogurt with nuts and Rice Krispies pa for texture. Makes for a very great dessert. I do have to say the actual yogurt is very smooth, but leaning towards on the icy side than the creamy side. So if that is more of your preference, then for sure magugustuhan nyo din to. Personally, I'm fine with either creamy or icy as long as masarap yung actual base ng yogurt, and for me, pasadong-pasado naman. Dessert here in MOA, just like us, you might wanna try Cloud soft treats. Enjoy!